I have not been around for a while and I have been really ill, and I'm really sorry if anyone's suffering at the moment. So much sickness, colds and things going around, and I just felt like I didn't have the energy to run on top, so I gave myself time to rest. Now, I know that was really good for my body, but I know mentally it has been tough for me, so I'm really glad to get back out today. I'm not going to say this morning it was easy. I put my shoes on and I was like, I don't know if I can get out and I can run. I have not come far and I'm already feeling really good about it. Just before I left this morning, my daughter was singing a song about Mummy is a runner, and I'll tell you what, that definitely gave me the boost I needed today. So even though she kept me up all night, she sang me a great song to give me some inspiration and motivation today. Subscribe to see more of this running journey. I'm not sure how it's going to pan out. I promised a video every week. I've been ill. I hope you saw the video that Nick did. If you didn't, check it out here. He filled in for me and he did a great job. So thank you, Nick. I have come for a really local run because I haven't been out for a while. I just thought I'll do a quick 5k circuit that I know really well and I know I can do. A bit trickier because there was a storm and the ground is full of twigs, leaves, and it's really soggy and boggy. So I'm probably going to take it quite easy. The whole purpose of this is just about getting out and doing it. So here goes. Anyone else been out running this week? Comment below, let me know how you're doing, how your runs are going. Love to hear from fellow runners, new runners, anyone thinking about it, or anyone that's just supporting me as I get out there and go running. Let's go! Come with me. We are going to go up this boogie path here. In case anyone's wondering, yes, these gloves are attached to my jumper, and yes, they are amazing in the winter. I don't know if I could run in the winter without them because they get hot, cold, so they're really easy just to put on and off. Still attached, you see, it's amazing. And a quick sprinty road section. Even the roads in Devon are pretty nice. And back in the fields, yes. And Christmas approaches, people often start thinking about what sorts of things they might take up, new habits and things, and I would recommend that running could be your new habit. It really does make you feel good. I have to admit, the last couple of weeks without it, I've been really missing it, and I just haven't felt it myself. I'm already feeling so much better, and I want you to feel good too. Maybe you could put your new running shoes on your Christmas list. As I go off to do my other circuit, I'm going to say goodbye for now, and hopefully I will see you next week. Bye! As I was on my way back running down the hill, I could feel a bit of a twinge in my knee. It was something I used to get when I'd overtrained, and I'm guessing I've got it today because I just haven't been out for a while and it was quite slippery, so it was probably a bit more impact. So I'm going to introduce you to the foam roller. So if you've got one, then use it after runs. It really helps me get through a few injuries. So if you haven't used one and you don't really know what it's for, the first time you use it it's a bit painful, but you do kind of get used to it and you actually start to kind of enjoy the pain. Find the area that hurts and then you like massage it onto that area. Little tip for you today: don't let injuries just go unnoticed and don't keep running on them because they just end up worse and you end up out of training for so much longer. Feel free to subscribe, like and comment on this video and let us know how you're doing and whether you will take up running for New Year. Bye bye!